As a ropeway operating company, you need to consider current energy issues. Stunts has therefore developed Esfor explicitly for funiculars and aerial ropeways. Esfor stands for Energy Storage System for ropeways. The energy storage system consists of an inverter and very durable and safe high-performance batteries. Esfor directly supplies the drive with current and is an integral part of the ropeway control system. The energy management system decides when to charge and discharge the battery. PV installations are highly recommended as the passenger volume correlates with the sunlight hours in most instances. The PV energy can then be directly used. Furthermore, when the ropeway stands still for embarking and disembarking, any excessive PV energy may be stored. As soon as the ropeway is moving again, the temporarily stored PV energy may be used for traction mode, regardless of the sunlight. Depending on the load case, route profile and vehicle position, the motor needs to decelerate the ropeway. The motor becomes a generator and produces energy. This energy is temporarily stored and used for the next trip. Temporary storage and local reuse reduce the amount of energy needed from the power grid. Additionally, reducing the power peaks reduces the load on the power grid. In the event of failure of the power supply during a trip, the vehicles are supplied by the energy storage system and able to return to the stations. Until now, diesel engines were used for this purpose. Thanks to Esfor, diesel engines will no longer be necessary. Esfor not only supports the environment, but also means cost and energy savings for ropeway operating companies. Stunts has a simulation tool that allows the simulation of the entire ropeway operation. This determines the optimal size of the energy storage system and PV installation on an individual basis. Associated consumers, such as charging stations for electric cars and restaurants, may be included as well. Stunts helps ropeway operating companies run their installations as efficiently and energy optimized as possible. We'd be happy to present Esfor to you in person.